Good morning! Andito tayo ngayon sa Azure and mag-stay tayo dito for 22 hours. And here is the view outside. Sobrang ganda. So we decided to celebrate mom and dad anniversary here. And lima kami, kasama na dun si baby. We bring foods na rin. And this is the view sa pool area nila. Then here is the wave pool area. Sobrang daming tao. And yan, nag-start na rin kami mag-swimming. Enjoy naman siya kahit maraming tao kasi spacious naman yung swimming pool nila. And ito naman yung sa kabilang side, yung pangbata. Mababa lang talaga yung sa pool niya. And then may slide siya for kids. Overall, sobrang nag-enjoy kami, especially yung baby namin. And ito talaga yung babalikan na staycation place. So thank you for watching!